Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to fix the message that asks, do you want this app to make changes to your device on Windows 11? This message usually appears because of the user account control settings. To get started, go to the search menu at the bottom of your screen. Type user account control in the search bar. From the search results, click on Change User Account Control Settings. A window will open with a vertical slider. The slider controls how often you receive notifications when apps try to make changes to your device. The higher the slider, the more notifications you will receive. The lower the slider, the fewer notifications you will get. If your slider is set to the highest level, Windows will always notify you when apps try to make changes. This is the most secure setting, but it can also be annoying because of frequent pop-ups. Every time you install software or make system changes, you will see a confirmation message asking for your permission. If you want fewer notifications, move the slider down. The recommended option is the second level from the top. This setting notifies you only when apps try to make changes, but not when you change Windows settings yourself. This option provides a balance between security and convenience. If you don't want any notifications at all, you can move the slider to the bottom option. However, it's not recommended to turn off notifications completely. This setting can make your computer less secure. Without notifications, any app could make changes without your knowledge, which could put your system at risk. Once you choose your preferred setting, click on OK. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Click Yes to confirm. If you notice that you are still receiving too many notifications, you can always come back to this menu and adjust the slider again. It's important to find the right balance between security and usability. That's it. You have successfully adjusted your user account control settings. This should help reduce the number of notifications you receive while keeping your computer secure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.